Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update content on WordPress website. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress website by going to a browser and searching for wordpress.com and simply logging into your account. After you have logged in, this is the interface you're going to see over here. Here we are looking for on the left hand side the posts option over here. Just click on the post option and it will open up all of your posts, and here you're gonna go and select the post you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit this post over here. You can see a edit option. Just simply click on the edit option and it will open the editor's page of WordPress for that specific post. After that page has been opened, just scroll through it and make the necessary edits you want to do. Suppose you want to change the wording of this text or anything, just do it. Or if you want to update the content of this photo like this, you want to make it smaller, bigger, or anything like that. After you are done over here, just look at the right hand side. Here you can see a save option over here. Simply click on the save option to save all of your actions, and that is how you update content on a WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.